Greater Bengaluru Development Minister Krishna Byre Gowda has directed officials to prepare a corporation-wise comprehensive action plan and operational schedule to fast-track the removal of abandoned vehicles across the 5 city corporations under the Greater Bengaluru Authority. During a virtual review meeting on the abandoned vehicle removal and footpath encroachment clearance drives, the minister instructed city corporation officials to implement the drive according to a fixed schedule. He also directed senior officers to closely monitor field-level officials, conduct regular progress reviews, and ensure timely implementation. To strengthen enforcement, the minister directed the police department and the city corporations to work in close coordination and maintain accurate data on vehicles identified, towed, and released after the payment of penalties. He also instructed city corporation commissioners to issue public notices and auction abandoned vehicles that remain unclaimed for 15 days after notices have been attached and the vehicles have been towed. Each traffic police station has been directed to deploy 2 dedicated police personnel for the drive, while marshals will accompany ward officers in serving notices on abandoned vehicles. On the footpath encroachment drive, Krishna Byre Gowda said encroachments have been cleared from 773 kilometers of footpaths across Bengaluru. He directed officials to continue the drive, impose penalties on repeat encroachers, prevent vehicles from being parked on cleared footpaths, and explore the possibility of converting wider than required footpaths into aesthetically designed, citizen-friendly public spaces wherever feasible. The minister also directed that footpath repair works be carried out simultaneously with the encroachment removal drive. He noted that the tendering process has already been completed in several locations and is in its final stages elsewhere. Officials were instructed to complete all pending tenders immediately and ensure timely execution of the repair works. Emphasizing interdepartmental coordination, Krishna Byre Gowda emphasized that all departments must work together to make Bengaluru's roads and footpaths free from abandoned vehicles and encroachments while ensuring safe, clean, and seamless mobility for citizens. Providing an update on the encroachment drive, Joint Commissioner of Police, Bengaluru Traffic, Karthik Reddy said 6,576 abandoned vehicles have been identified across Bengaluru, including 2,533 by the police department and 4,043 reported by citizens. Notices have been served on 1,605 vehicles, 263 vehicles have been towed, and owners have paid 2.16 lakh rupees in penalties to reclaim their vehicles. He added that the enforcement drive will be intensified in the coming days. The virtual meeting was attended by Chief Commissioner Maheshwar Rao, City Corporation Commissioners Ramesh D.S., Pummal Sunil Kumar, Ramesh K.N., Dr. Rajendra K.V. and G. Jagadish, Additional Commissioners, Chief Engineers, Executive Engineers, officials from the Electrical Department, and officers from various other departments. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.